Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. In today's video, I wanted to talk a little bit about how you can add appliances in your kitchen designs, because there's actually two ways that you can go about this. You do have the ability, of course, to just search for a specific type of product using the product library. So if I wanted to search for a stove, then I can go ahead and I can browse through and I can find all kinds of options that I can add to my design. And of course, for any of these options that I bring in, I can always adjust the dimensions to make sure it matches the dimensions of the actual product I'm recommending for my client. Now, that's one way that you can do it, but with the kitchen cabinet library, there's a variety of kitchen cabinets that also have built-in appliances. So what you can actually do is you can go into the kitchen cabinets and you can browse through any of the cabinet options. So let's go into the tall cabinets here. If I scroll down towards the bottom of the library, you're going to see that there are a variety of options that also include appliances. So in this case, I've got a tall cabinet option where it includes 2 appliances. And if I scroll all the way down to the bottom here, you're going to see that I have my top appliance model and my bottom appliance model. So I can actually decide what I want those to be. So I can change it out between a coffee maker, a microwave, and an oven. And if I just select any of these, you'll see how it gets added into the overall cabinet. Now I'm going to bring this back to a coffee maker. And then of course I could change out the bottom model as well. Below that, I can also change out the finish. So if I wanted all my appliances to have a white or a black or a stainless steel finish, then I can select the finish that I want, and then it would be cohesive for my whole design. Now, another thing that you can do here, so let's just go ahead and we'll go through a few of these built-in options, just so you're aware of what is actually in the library. So there are these tall cabinets that have either a single appliance or a double appliance. There are specific ones that are for a double oven. So if you browse through here and you have a quick look at these models, you're going to see that there are specifically ones for double ovens. So let's just go ahead and we'll pull one of those out. And I'm just going to zoom out here a little bit and rotate this around. So you can see what it looks like. In this case, you don't get to change the appliance because it's specific for a double oven, but you do get to change up the finish. Now, other options that are available to you, if I go into the base cabinets, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to notice that there are base cabinets that have either a single oven or a single appliance that's built into it. So you can apply any of those to your designs. And again, you would be able to change out the appliance and change out the finish. You also have options for a wine cooler and a dishwasher. So if I rotate this one around, you can see what that looks like. And down here, I can switch that to a dishwasher. And again, you can change out the finish. And below that, you'll also find that there are options for cooktops. So if I wanted to bring out this, I can rotate it around and it's going to have the standard drawer or door front, but it'll have the cooktop on top. So you can basically experiment with all of the built-in appliances that come with the cabinets. When it comes to the wall cabinets, there are also built-in appliances for that as well. So if I scroll all the way down to the bottom beyond the standard door options, you're going to see that there are built-in appliances for wall cabinets. So again, you could do microwaves or a coffee maker or something like that. You can change out the finish. And then you also have the option for the hoods that'll go above your stove. So if I rotate this one around, I'm just going to raise it up. You're going to see that little lip here for that hood. And if I rotate it up, you'll see that it's built in underneath. Now for any of the hoods, you will find that there's 3 different types. So that's type 1. Type 2 is a little bit more minimal where you don't even see that lip. It's just kind of built underneath. And then type 3 is more of a built out structure like this. And again, you get to change up the finish. Now, if you don't want a hood that's built into a cabinet, that's totally fine. You can always search for an individual hood in the product library. There's lots of different options that you can choose from. So just go ahead and have a browse. And of course, you can change the dimensions of it if you need to make sure it's going to match the dimensions of the actual hood that you're recommending. So I just wanted you to be aware of that. There are built-in appliances in the cabinets where you can change out the appliance, you can change out the finish of it, and of course you always have the ability to just search for standalone appliances that you can build into your kitchen designs. If you do have any questions about how to apply appliances to your kitchen designs, how to customize them, feel free to reach out to us on the live chat. We're more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.